Okay, we are at Apalachicola on the dock here. I'm just holding the camera up, taking pictures of birds. They're laughing gulls and they're brown pelicans that are flying by, although right now there doesn't seem to be any. There's a pelican way over there in the distance. And we're down here on a painting expedition. There goes one by real quickly. I'm just wasting my time taking pictures here, or videoing the laughing gulls. There goes one fast. Here comes another one. Swing around 180 degrees, and what you will see are a bunch of artists who are just wasting their time here instead of painting.